Hello everyone, Dr. West and my friend Don. We're excited to share with you a neat patient experience relating to knees because I got some people coming in that just wanted to know if we could help people. I don't want to steal anybody's thunder. So tell them what it was like when you first came in.
I got a knee that's bone on bone. I was injured when I was a youngster and have had several hyaluronic acid injections over the years, but it was to the point that it was painful even to sleep at night. It woke me up several times. And my orthopedic surgeon, who had been doing the injections, said it's time to do knee replacement. I really didn't want to do that right away. And I heard about Dr. West and some of the things that are happening through his therapies, and they sound like miracles, they look like miracles, and so I decided to try, and it is really working very well. I'm probably 50% better, maybe even better than that than when I started, and it's holding, and I'm very, very pleased with the therapy that's been done, and I would recommend it. It's certainly worth a try, and it has helped me, which I didn't think anything short of surgery would work, but this has been very, very helpful. So I would do it again.
Thank you, Don. Is it okay if I can put this up and show this to people?
Sure.
All right, you guys, this is Dr. West. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.